There could be several reasons why a jade plant has no leaves on it. First one is underwatering. Jade plant require regular watering, but overwatering can lead to root rot. If your plant is not watering enough, it can become dehydrated and that causing the leaves to fall off. Lack of sunlight. Jade plant require bright indirect sunlight to thrive. If the plant not receiving enough light, this may lead to shaded its leaf. Next one is the cold temperatures. Jade plants are sensitive to cold temperature and can drop their leaves if exposed to extreme cold or drafts. The next reason is that transplant shock. If the plant was recently repotted, it might undergo transplant shock, causing it to lose leaves temporarily. If the problem persists, despite your efforts, consider consulting a local horticulturist or gardening expert for further advice.